Alright, so I put the eSIM connector back since I have no idea. The connection from the throttle body motor, this one right here, to that, it's fine, the connection, right? So then I checked this out. I took pictures of it. There's no need to make any videos. I took pictures of it. I'm not sure if it looks corroded or not. I'm gonna post the pictures too. And now, that's basically it. Now test start. So this is how it starts up without putting any brake fluid or anything into the throttle body. Start it. That's the throttle body. That was the wait. Cut it. Take out the key and put it back in. Wait, Cuddy. Give me a second. So before anything, let me just show you this. Alright, put the key in. See, now that means the throttle body motor, it's working because it opens up and turns off. Right, it's like calibrating itself every time the ignition is on, right? So that's a good sign. That means the throttle body motor, this motor, it's good since it does that, I'm pretty sure. Now if we try starting it, like you saw the first test, 1 second. Alright, start it. One more time. Let's say just keep doing that. Next second. Now I'm gonna tell him to hold the gas pedal all the way down and then try starting it. You guys can take a look right here what happens. Yo, gas pedal down and then start it. Same thing. Doesn't make any difference. So now I'm gonna put some brake cleaner into it. 1 second. Move this out the way. That thing is not disconnected, if you're wondering. That has not been disconnected. So now brake cleaner. Alright, 1 sec. I go. Now it's running, but now it still shuts off. I stop, this thing stops. So that's basically what's happening. And now I'll show you the picture of the inside. I'll have my friend do this. Yo, come out. I'm gonna make a video of the inside. You come and do this thing. Keep catching it. So this is what's happening. 1 second. It's not zooming in, damn. It's not focusing, I meant. Okay, but like, you can see, there you go. My gas pedal is held all the way down right now. And that's what's happening. Yo, stop it! Stop it! It's held all the way down. And there you go, car dies. Without the thing, it dies. I let go of the gas pedal, I kept holding it down too, and same thing. Now I have this cheap Amazon scanner because the shop is closed today, so I can't really use their high-tech one. But I'll just show you the codes I'm still getting off this one. Let's see, so I do this. Four codes found, yeah. And boom. 1 second. P0222 1240. Okay, let me just clear all these. I'll just look through it. Actually, no. Yeah, 1 sec. Let me look through all of them. 122, okay. 22 1140 1240. And yeah, it just goes back and forth. Okay, so let me erase these. Okay, I'm gonna take out the key. Wait a second. Put the key back in. Start na kari. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let me just start the car. try to start the car. Let's see. Don't do anything. Okay, now that started without him having to do that. But like, see how it just shut off right away? Now I'm gonna start the car with the brake pedal held all the way down. Nothing happens. Okay. So there is this one throttle relearn thing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it right, but I'll just give it a try. So it's ignition on, and then they want you to hold the pedal down all the way in a 5-second period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it back up slowly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove this. Nothing. Okay. And now, Thermo, you were asking if this light flashes, so I'm gonna have it pointed here while I try cranking the car. It does not. So immobilizer is good. It's on now. And now it's off. Yeah, it doesn't crank. So, I mean, it cranks, but it just doesn't start. Now let's read the codes now. Let's see what this thing says. Okay, my bad. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, the keys aren't inserted.
Yeah.
2 codes found. Okay. 1104, 1240. Okay. 1000. 1104, 1240. Yep. So that's the code I'm gonna keep getting. Yeah. But the thing is, weird thing is, I don't get that code when I have the big like proper scanner that I can go into each module and scan. When I do that, then I don't get those codes for some reason. Those codes do not show up that way. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna post all this information. Hopefully you guys watch all of it and see where we're at. Thank you.